Alright, let's talk about leveling up your Android game. Whether you just got a new phone or you've had yours for a while, these quick tips will make your daily experience smoother and way more efficient. First up, customize your home screen, widgets, app shortcuts, folders. Don't settle for clutter. Hold down on your screen. Drag apps into folders, add widgets for weather, add widgets for your calendar. You'll be surprised how much faster you get things done when everything's where you want it. Next, notifications. Open your settings and go to notifications. Turn off alerts for apps you don't care about. Trust me, your sanity will thank you. No more endless pings from games you never play. Battery life is a big deal, so check which apps are draining your juice. Go to Battery and Settings and see what's hogging power. Restrict background activity. Uninstall the culprit. If your phone has a battery saver mode, try it when you'll be away from a charger. Now, privacy. Android lets you control app permissions, so take advantage. Head to Settings, then Privacy. Review apps with access to your location. Review apps with access to your camera. Review apps with access to your microphone. If something looks off, switch it off. And don't forget updates. They patch bugs and keep your phone secure. Go to System Updates and make sure you're running the latest version. Last thing, explore the digital well-being tools. Set screen time limits. Wind down before bed. Avoid doom scrolling at 2 a.m. Alright, those are my best Android practices to make your phone smarter, safer, and just plain better. Try them out, and let me know if you have any secret tips of your own.